believe this. Oh, that's a blessing from God. I cannot believe the bush there. Oh my God.